Your kitchen is about to smell amazing. We need 4 cups of flour. Is it 4 cups or not? 1, 2, wait. Welcome flour. 3 and 4. 2 teaspoons of yeast. 1, 2. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1. A quarter cup of sugar. 1 cup of warm milk. Microwave it for 30 seconds. It is warm. 1. A quarter cup of warm water. 1 egg. And a quarter cup of butter. That much easy. Everything in one bowl. Now grab your fancy spoon mixer and start mixing in speed 1. After about 1 minute of mixing, it is time to massage. Bakers call this kneading. Wear your fancy glove and start massaging. Continue until you don't see any dry flour left. Right now there are so much at the bottom, so I will keep going. The dough should be smooth and soft like this, and it shouldn't stick to your hands. Now for the window pane test, just grab a small piece of your dough and just stretch it, and you should see the light without tearing apart. So it says dough is ready. Grab the dough, grease your bowl a little bit, and just put it back. And cover it slightly. It was that much easy. Off. No touching the dough, no drama. Now cover the bowl and let the dough relax until the size of dough gets double. It should take about 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. Sweet dream. It's been 1 hour and 15 minutes and look at this queen. It's perfect. Uncover the bowl and flip the bowl. You have to make a rectangle, approximately 12 by 18 inches. 12 inches would be here. Grab anything to roll, like this. We want to make even thickness. It is way more than 12 inches, which is perfect. Gorgeous. So we are done with rolling. Now grab a bowl, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons cinnamon. 1, 2, mix it together. Visual check, perfect. And grab another bowl and add half cup of butter. Microwave it for 30 seconds. Now just spread the butter all over the dough, like this. Just gently brush it. Brushing is all done. And I just quickly sprinkle the cinnamon sugar mixture on top of the dough. Make sure you cover everywhere. Now everywhere is covered. I have a little leftover, so add more butter and I will add more. I think that's perfect. Wash my hand. Now I start rolling the dough very slow. Grab a baking pan, grease it, and make sure you cover everywhere. Now with a very sharp knife, start cutting the dough to 12 pieces. I start from here, then I just flip the knife like this, because we want even sizes. I start cutting. That's the first one. Put into the baking pan, just like this. Visual check. Woo. We have to make a space between each roll and they have room to puff. It looks like this right now. Now cover it and let it rise for 45 minutes. Meanwhile, turn on your oven to 350. Sweet dream. It's been 45 minutes and look at this. It is gorgeous. Ooh. Uncover the pan. There is a bakery secret. You need to add a quarter cup of heavy cream around the rolls. This way the rolls would be very soft. It looks like this right now. My oven is 350 degrees right now, so I just quickly put this into the oven to bake for 22 minutes. Let's go. Now let's make frosting. Grab a bowl, cream cheese. This is 250. I use half of it. Cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. 1, 2, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1. Mix together. I think I need a bigger bowl. Wait. You know what? What if I use the leftover cheese too? I have bigger space. And 2 tablespoons of butter. 2. And just mix it together. Just like this. Now I add 1 cup of icing sugar. And just mix everything together. Oops. It was that much easy. You don't need mixer or any other fancy stuff. After a few minutes, it looks like this right now. See? It is perfect. Now we set it aside and wait for our cinnamon rolls to get ready. Look at this, gorgeous, beautiful. It is almost done. Whole kitchen smells amazing. You have to make it today. Wow. Look how amazing it is. It smells amazing. I let it cool for 10 minutes, then I will add the frosting. Otherwise, it will be melted all over the place. It's been 4 minutes and I can't wait anymore. Oops. Please don't melt. So far, so good. The first one is start melting, but that's okay. Queen. Look at this. Gorgeous, amazing. Go back. Looks like this right now. It was that much easy. Look at this. Oh, you want to see the bottom? Sure. And you want to see the top? Sure. It's so good. The texture, everything. It was that much easy. Didn't have any complicated steps. No mixer needed. It was delicious, perfect, gorgeous. That's it.